Collard greens are a staple in many gardens, but what if I told you that you don't need a garden or even regular watering to grow these nutrient-packed greens for your family? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow collard greens easily without the need for a traditional garden space or constant watering. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why collard greens are a fantastic choice for home gardening. Collard greens are not only rich in vitamins A, C, and K, but they're also incredibly hardy. These leafy greens are known for their ability to thrive in less than ideal conditions, making them perfect for our unique growing method. Now let's get into the method. You don't need a garden to grow collard greens. You can do it right on your balcony, patio, or even indoors. We're going to use self-watering containers, which are the secret to this no-watering method. Start by choosing a good quality self-watering container. These containers have a built-in reservoir that ensures your plants get the right amount of water without you having to worry about daily watering. Fill your container with nutrient-rich soil and plant your collard green seeds about ½ an inch deep. The science behind self-watering containers is pretty fascinating. They work by using capillary action to draw water from the reservoir into the soil as needed. This keeps the soil consistently moist without overwatering, which is ideal for collard greens. Plus, it conserves water, perfect for those hot summer months or if you're trying to reduce water usage. Once your seeds are planted, place your container in a spot where it can get at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Collard greens thrive in full sun, but they can also tolerate partial shade. The self-watering container will do most of the work for you, but you should still check on your plants every now and then to ensure they're growing strong. To keep your collard greens healthy and productive, add a slow-release fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. As the plants grow, you may need to thin them out to prevent overcrowding. Simply snip the weaker seedlings at the base, leaving about 18 inches between the strongest plants. Collard greens can be harvested as soon as they reach about 10 inches tall. For the best flavor, pick the outer leaves first, allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. This way you'll have a continuous harvest all season long. Once harvested, collard greens can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. They're incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether you're sautéing, boiling, or adding them to soups and stews, these greens are sure to be a hit with your family. And there you have it. Growing collard greens without a garden or regular watering is easier than ever. With just a little setup and some basic care, you'll be enjoying fresh, homegrown greens in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Happy gardening! Subscribe for more gardening hacks and tips.